We're doing black water shit.
Yes, water is usually black.
What? What water are you drinking?
What water aren't you drinking?
You know what? You're right. Shit.
Flint, Michigan be like.
Bro, it's like.
Wait, that's illegal.
No band drip.
No band drip.
I got no bands.
Yeah, I play Airsoft. I got no bands.
I don't have money. Oh, wait, we're on CPB.
Yeah, that's what I said. We're going kill house. Drop the stock.
I'm not walking, you're walking.
Relative to who?
Relative to who? Speed is relative.
Speed is relative, officer.
That's why I go 95 in a school zone. You see, the reason it's the same speed is because it ends in a 5. School zone is 15. I'm going 95. Oh, shucks, I forgot they put this here.
Look at me, walking.
One of these days, I'm gonna be unfortunate enough to not be able to slow myself down, and I'm gonna go right through that. Unfunny drip, bro? Yeah, I got drip. Why do I keep saying this?
Nasal drip.
Drip, you got banned? This is such a bad idea. Why is center even an option?
Yo, check this shit out. Hey, watch this.
Biffs it.
You're tall, dies.
Dude, I hope.
Don't we all?
Go, go!
The worst fucking idea ever.
Man, you guys are crazy. You guys are Ah, shit! I just slammed my AK barrel into the ground.
Fine.
Man, this shit cringe.
I peeked this door and there was someone.
We got a guy moving into the middle. Middle! Alley, alley, alley! There's a guy in alley! That's a...
Oh, I guess he's dead. Never mind.
He's on this corner.
Where?
I think there's a dead man walking.
Yeah. There is another guy though. He's in black.
Oh shit.
Sorry, I needed cover. Oh.
You dead?
Yep. Someone in the corner of Kill House. Watch it. You can't see you from here, but corner of Kill House, there's a guy.
Got it.
Corner of Kill House down.
Oh! Hey, Nate's down. Oh! Next building, right there! He's down this corner. Oh, he's down, never mind.
Let's test those plates.
Let's see if your plates work.
My Airsoft plates, my Milsom plates.
My thing keeps falling. My mask.
Sir, I'm gonna have to kick you out if you keep dropping your mask.
What is up, you sexy YouTube mother lovers, and welcome back to another episode of the Darwin Awards.
I'm gonna just say where I was.
Burger King?
Okay. Burger Bean.
Why are you going through the trash?
You want bands?
Why are those in there?
Because, why not?
You can't get sneaky.
These are mine now. I'm gonna arrest someone with these. Oh shit. Oh. What do you think of the IRS?
Hey, ready?
There's only one answer.
Down the far corner.
Okay,
Express side's clear. You know what? We should all just go left.
Yeah?
Yeah, they won't expect it. Ignore the fact I'm really loud though.
Drop that.
Tactical flip.
Hey, you got back plates?
Those are my, yeah. Shoot it. You're gonna hit my. Well, actually, no, don't shoot it because you're gonna hit my water. No. You can shoot my front plates though. Go ahead. Don't hit me in the neck though. That hurt.
Did it shoot?
No. That did. I heard a, and it's really high. I'm like, ah! Thank God I moved my knee in time. That was going right up. Dude, I got the entire United States fucking army over here. God damn.
Where's the kilt guy?
Hey, right there.
There he is.
Actually, cool kilt man.
Stop. What is it?
Hat.
What does it say?
Landscape broker.
Oh, it's a work hat.
Hit! Hit! Ah, shit, my balls! Ah, I'm already dead! God damn it!
Downside is my Russian ammo ban.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
60 rounds and nothing more.
Oh, that's all you got, man?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I'm getting tired of the same joke, Jack. Get funnier. Oh, AK invincible.
AK metal. This is what we'll do. I'm gonna run doing the exact same thing. It would be funny if the magazine fell out if I did this.
I'll pick it up and I won't give it to you.
Yeah. I didn't have it all safe. Alright, that's how we're gonna do this, right? Make sure it's going Shit! I missed! Kick the mag!
Clear, clear!
Room clear!
Let's play the game. Is it loaded? Yeah.
Ah! It ricocheted and hit me still! I died as I lived like a fucking idiot.